Linear motion and semiconductor manufacturing equipment. Semiconductor manufacturing equipment represents some of the most intricate and sophisticated technology employed across all industrial sectors. In this field, achieving high levels of precision and exacting motion control is of utmost importance, with linear systems playing a pivotal role in ensuring optimal operational performance. Wafer handling systems. These advanced robotic systems are specifically designed to automate and enhance the management of silicon wafers throughout the semiconductor production process. The integration of linear motion components into these handling systems guarantees the precise and delicate positioning of wafers during each stage of manufacturing, thereby enhancing overall efficiency and quality. Metrology tools. Metrology tools are employed for the inspection and measurement of semiconductor components with unprecedented accuracy. Linear motion systems are integral to these tools, enabling them to achieve the requisite levels of precision crucial for the fabrication of advanced semiconductor devices. Cleanroom automation. The semiconductor industry necessitates the maintenance of an ultra-clean environment to prevent contamination of sensitive components. Cleanroom automation systems, endowed with specialized linear motion technology, facilitate precise movement and handling of equipment within these controlled environments. These systems ensure strict adherence to stringent cleanliness standards, thereby safeguarding the integrity of the manufacturing processes and ensuring the quality of the final products.